Which of the following reactions involves the addition of a nucleophile to a carbonyl compound? A. Aldol condensation. B. Cannizzaro reaction. C. Benzoin condensation. D. Perkin condensation. The correct answer is A. Less than break time equals 1s greater than. In aldol condensation, a nucleophile adds to the carbonyl group of an aldehyde or ketone. What is the product of a Cannizzaro reaction of formaldehyde? A. Formic acid and methanol. B. Acetaldehyde and methanol. C. Ethanol and acetaldehyde. D. Methanol and ethanol. The correct answer is A. Less than break time equals 1s greater than. The Cannizzaro reaction of formaldehyde results in the formation of formic acid and methanol. In benzoin condensation, what type of compound is formed? A. Dimer. B. Trimer. C. Monomer. D. Tetramer. The correct answer is A. Benzoin condensation results in the formation of a dimeric compound. What does Fehling's solution contain that reacts with aldehydes? A. Ammonia. B. Silver ions. C. Copper ions. D. Bromine. The correct answer is C. Fehling's solution contains copper ions that react with aldehydes to form a colored precipitate. What type of reaction is involved in the Cannizzaro reaction? A. Nucleophilic addition. B. Elimination. C. Reduction. D. Disproportionation. The correct answer is D. The Cannizzaro reaction is a disproportionation reaction where one aldehyde molecule is reduced to an alcohol, while another molecule is oxidized to a carboxylic acid. In the benzoin condensation, what functional group is used to form the carbon-carbon bond between two aldehydes? A. Ketone. B. Aldehyde. C. Alkene. D. Ester. The correct answer is B. Benzoin condensation involves the formation of a carbon-carbon bond between two aldehyde molecules. Which qualitative test is commonly used to detect reducing sugars? A. Tollens test. B. Benedict's test. C. Fehling's test. D. Jones oxidation. The correct answer is B. Benedict's test is commonly used to detect reducing sugars, like aldoses, which reduce Cu2 to Cu. What byproduct is formed in the aldol condensation reaction? A. Water. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Alkene. D. Oxygen. The correct answer is A. One of the byproducts of the aldol condensation reaction is water, which is eliminated during the formation of the aldol product. What is the purpose of using sodium hydroxide in the Cannizzaro reaction? A. To protonate the aldehyde. B. To deprotonate the aldehyde. C. To neutralize the reaction mixture. D. To act as a solvent. The correct answer is B. Sodium hydroxide is used in the Cannizzaro reaction to deprotonate the aldehyde, facilitating the oxidation of one molecule and the reduction of the other. What is the result of a benzoin condensation reaction between two benzaldehyde molecules? A. Benzophenin. B. Benzaldehyde. C. Cinnamaldehyde. D. Dibenzyl. The correct answer is A. In benzoin condensation, two benzaldehyde molecules react to form benzophenin. They condense to form an alpha hydroxyketone intermediate, which then dehydrates to yield the final product. Which compound is commonly used as a nucleophile in aldol condensation reactions? A. Acetic acid. B. Acetone. C. Methanol. D. Ethanol. The correct answer is B. Acetone is a commonly used nucleophile in aldol condensation reactions to form beta-hydroxyketones. Which of the following tests is commonly used to detect aldehydes and ketones in a qualitative analysis? A. Tollens test. B. Bayer's test. C. Biuret test. D. Molish test. The correct answer is A. Tollens test is commonly used to distinguish aldehydes and ketones based on their ability to reduce Tollens reagent. In the benzoin condensation reaction, what functional group reacts to form a carbon-carbon bond between two aldehyde molecules? A. Carboxylic acid. B. Alcohol. C. Aldehyde. D. Ketone. The correct answer is C. The aldehyde functional group reacts in the benzoin condensation to form a carbon-carbon bond. What is the product of an aldol condensation reaction between two molecules of the same aldehyde? A. Inolate. B. Aldol. C. Ketone. D. Ester. The correct answer is B. In an aldol condensation reaction between two molecules of the same aldehyde, the product formed is called an aldol. Which of the following reagents is typically used in Tollens test for aldehydes? A. Benedict solution. B. Fehling solution. C. Tollens reagent. D. Silver nitrate. The correct answer is C. Tollens reagent is typically used in Tollens test for aldehydes. What is the product of a benzoin condensation reaction between two benzaldehyde molecules? A. Benzoin. B. Benzaldehyde. C. Benzophenone. D. Acetophenone. The correct answer is A. In a benzoin condensation reaction between two benzaldehyde molecules, the product formed is called benzoin. What is the product of a Cannizzaro reaction of benzaldehyde? A. Benzyl alcohol. B. Benzoic acid. C. Benzoin. D. Benzaldehyde. The correct answer is B. Benzoic acid is the product of a Cannizzaro reaction of benzaldehyde. What is the product of the Perkin condensation between benzaldehyde and anhydrous acetic acid? A. Phenyl benzoate. B. Benzaldehyde. C. Acetic anhydride. D. Acetyl salicylic acid. The correct answer is A. The product of Perkin condensation between benzaldehyde and acetic anhydride is phenyl benzoate. Which of the following reagents is commonly used to detect aldehydes and ketones through silver mirror formation? A. Tollens reagent. B. Benedict solution. C. Fehling solution. D. Schiff's reagent. The correct answer is A. Tollens reagent is used in the Tollens test to detect aldehydes through the silver mirror test. In which reaction does an aldehyde react with a strong base to form an alcohol and a salt? A. Cannizzaro reaction. B. Aldol condensation. C. Benzoin condensation. D. Perkin condensation. The correct answer is A. The Cannizzaro reaction involves the self-condensation of an aldehyde into an alcohol and a salt. What compound is commonly used as a nucleophile in aldol condensation reactions? A. Acetaldehyde. B. Benzaldehyde. C. Acetone. D. Acetic acid. The correct answer is C. Acetone is a common nucleophile in aldol condensation reactions. Which of the following tests is commonly used to distinguish between aldehydes and ketones by utilizing their ability to be oxidized or reduced? A. Tollens test. B. Brady's test. C. Jones oxidation. D. Schiff's test. The correct answer is A. The Tollens test distinguishes aldehydes from ketones. It uses their different reactions with Tollens reagent. What functional group is involved in the formation of an inolate intermediate in aldol condensation reactions? A. Alcohol. B. Carbonyl. C. Epoxide. D. Ester. The correct answer is B. The carbonyl functional group is involved in the formation of inolate intermediates during aldol condensation reactions. What is the result of a benzoin condensation reaction between two benzaldehyde molecules? A. Dibenzaldehyde acetone. B. Benzophenone. C. Diacetone alcohol. D. Acetophenone. The correct answer is A. Less than break time equals 1s greater than. The product of a benzoin condensation reaction between two benzaldehyde molecules is dibenzaldehyde acetone. Which of the following reagents is commonly used in tolerance test for aldehydes? A. Ammonia. B. Potassium permanganate. C. Silver nitrate. D. Ammonium hydroxide. The correct answer is C. Silver nitrate is commonly used in tolerance test to form a silver mirror when reacting with aldehydes. What is the result of a benzoin condensation reaction between two benzaldehyde molecules? A. Benzyl alcohol. B. Benzophenone. C. Benzoin. D. Benzaldehyde. The correct answer is C. Benzoin is formed in a benzoin condensation reaction between two benzaldehyde molecules. Which of the following tests is commonly used to detect aldehydes and ketones in a qualitative analysis? A. Jones test. B. Tollens test. C. Schiff test. D. Bayer's test. The correct answer is C. Schiff test is commonly used to detect the presence of aldehydes and ketones in a qualitative analysis. In which reaction does an aldehyde react with a strong base to form an alcohol and a salt? A. Benzoin condensation. B. Cannizzaro reaction. C. Aldol condensation. D. Perkin condensation. The correct answer is B. An aldehyde reacts with a strong base in the Cannizzaro reaction to form an alcohol and a salt. What compound is commonly used as a nucleophile in aldol condensation reactions? A. Acetic acid. B. Acetone. C. Benzaldehyde. D. Ethanol. The correct answer is B. Acetone is commonly used as a nucleophile in aldol condensation reactions. What is the main product of a Perkin condensation reaction involving benzaldehyde and acetic anhydride? A. Cinnamic acid. B. Benzoin. C. Acetophenone. D. Phenylacetic acid. The correct answer is A. Perkin condensation typically results in the formation of cinnamic acid from the reaction between benzaldehyde and acetic anhydride.